Hi everyone, I'm Gina Jambry with the Medicare Resource Center, Columbus. Starting March 15th at 6 p.m., we'll be holding our Medicare Academies live in person at our Clintonville location, 5212 North High Street. Please reserve a seat as the class space is limited because we like a smaller group so we can provide an enriched learning environment where your particular needs can be addressed. You can sign up online at MedicareOH.com, look for the Medicare Academy tab, and book a seat. If you need to call us, we're at 614-802-7302. We will be going over the basics of Medicare, when to enroll, how to enroll, the differences between Medicare Supplement and Medicare Advantage plan, as well as standalone drug plans, high income earner adjustment amounts, and low-income subsidies, everything that has to do with Medicare. I've been helping clients like you since 2010 sign up for Medicare and get enrolled in a plan. I'm here for my clients year after year, and Medicare products are the only products that I sell. So again, my name's Gina Jambry, Medicare Resource Center, Columbus, and we hope to see you out March 15th or at any of the other classes we'll be having this summer. Thank you.